I'm asking you, your name. You don't know your name?
Of course I do.
Listen, whatever you have going on, can you have them step out, please? Why are you lying to me?
Like I said, I can get an attorney if there's an issue with this.
I don't understand why you are asking for an attorney.
Hello?
Hello, I'm Officer Lopez with QSPD. The reason I stopped your vehicle, you have a tag light out.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't aware.
Is this your vehicle?
Yes, and I'm very sorry.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Oh my goodness. All of this stuff is like kind of shoved in here in the back. I can give you all of my information or whatever, and I can try and look for it.
Do you have at least your registration or something with your name on?
Yeah, absolutely. Is it just a tag light out? That's it?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Is it possible to just give me a warning? I don't know.
No, I still have to run the driver, the registration, and I have to see insurance information.
Okay. Can you give me a second, maybe, perhaps? Like...
Yes. Is there any weapon in the vehicle?
Come on, man. You think I would ever do anything?
7-3. Can I have another 43? Go ahead.
Why are you asking for another 43?
What's the problem?
I don't know. I'm just asking why you're asking for backup. Can I have an attorney or something? Is that what I need?
What's going on? I need your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I understand.
And I need identification for the passengers as well. Okay?
Okay. Just to give me a ticket for the tag light.
I'm not saying I'm giving you a ticket.
Oh, okay. Do you mind like not shoving the light in my face? Cause
is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. You just seem a little aggressive. So
I'm not being aggressive. You are questioning everything I'm asking you.
No, I'm just making sure that there was no violation.
Okay.
I just got this car not too long ago. The insurance, here you go. What else do you need?
Your driver's license.
And that's it?
Registration and proof of insurance. What you gave me was the title.
Okay. I wasn't expecting this to happen, so.
Okay, it happens. It's fine.
Here's this. I don't know if this is one of the registrations.
Okay, at this point, step out because I don't know why you have in that bag and I don't like this, okay? For my safety and your safety, get your hands out of the bag, okay? Step out. Step out. Please come this way. Please stay right here.
What tag light is out?
Your tag light. You don't see it?
I really don't. I'm sorry. I just bought this car not too long ago. I'm sorry.
Okay, the tag light is out. You are required to have your registration illuminated, and it has to be visible at least 50 feet away on the road.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Do you have any questions?
No, not whatsoever, no.
So I have your license,
and I just
the title,
this car, and I apologize.
and your insurance information.
Yes, and I am sorry.
What is your name again? What is your name?
Do you have my information right
What is your name? What is it? Is that your first name?
It's right here.
I'm asking you, your name. You don't know your name?
Of course I do.
Listen, whatever you have going on, can you have them step out, please? Why are you lying to me?
Like I said, I can get an attorney if there's an issue with this.
I don't understand why you are asking for an attorney. Why are you giving me a false name?
I didn't give you a false name.
So why are you giving me somebody's ID right now? Why are you giving me somebody's ID? I asked for your driver's license, not this person's driver's license. I don't know who this person is.
Okay.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. I'm giving you all of my information. If I somehow grab the wrong thing, I can go get the other one. I told you it was put in the back, and I just bought this vehicle a couple of days ago.
So there's no misunderstanding. I want you to write down your first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth on this piece of paper.
Well, I don't want to write it here because this is my insurance.
You can write it on the back.
I can just give it to you.
On the back.
Okay, sure. No problem.
First name, Sweet. Last name, Toes. Do you have a middle name?
I do not.
Okay. Is there any reason why your license will be suspended?
No.
Should be valid and clear.
Of course.
Okay.
However, you understand that I did request, right, an attorney because I know my rights. So
you requested an attorney for what?
I don't know what you're trying to do.
I told you the reason of the stop.
I know. You can give me a warning and
you don't tell me what I have to do with this traffic
not.
stop, okay?
Of course not.
I can give you a citation. I can give you a warning. I can give you a written warning.
Of course.
Okay?
You're the boss of this street. Absolutely. Damn, y'all brought a bunch of people out for a tag light.
For your safety and my safety, that's why we have these officers here.
I think
you were going through your bag. I don't know what you have in your bag.
Papi,
when I'm
purse.
trying to use my flashlight to have eyes on you, You have a problem with that.
Oh, of course I don't. I just can't see at night when you flash in my eye. That's it.
Where is that license that you are talking about?
I can go grab it.
Where is that license?
I don't want you to grab it. I can grab it. You have nothing to worry about. I'm just gonna grab my ID for you and my social security card. It's gonna be in the same pocket that I found the other one.
Stand by. She doesn't have a middle name. They are asking for a social because your name is not returning.
I understand. I can give you my social. I don't have it memorized.
You don't know your social?
No.
Let's try this one more time. What's her real name?
That's my
I'm
real
giving
name.
you a second chance.
I'm telling you the truth. That's my name. 100.
So,
Yes.
okay. All right. So now you are under arrest, okay?
Why is that?
She gave me a fake name.
Oh, no kidding.
On the registration. I believe this is her. Look at this picture. I think that's her. Yeah, I found her. Expired DL gave me a fake name and has a unextraditable. This bag came out of the trunk, right? It says L374. Baggies, hidden gum package, and pills, weed, and this bag. There was a hidden compartment in the driver's side.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Oh, more. Jesus.
Stop full of evidence.
A box full of evidence.
Contraband, illegal things, narcotics,
What narcotics?
a lot.
Right, stand up. Everybody's making everything up here, right? Yeah. Maybe don't give a fake name next time. You can turn around, just lean up against the car. Okay, you were in the front passenger seat. Obviously, you know what we found on the front passenger side. Okay, so there was a white rock located on where you were seated, and not only that, but a bunch of pills in the same area where you were.
Test right now. I'm in the consortium. I'm an offshore fisherman. There's a mahi on my leg.
So you don't have anything else. You don't have anything else to say to me right now.
Absolutely not.
I'm just talking to you to see, you know, what can I do for you right now? Like, you need me more than I need you. Honestly, I can just go to jail with you, and I'll be having breakfast by the end of the day. You, I don't know, I can't say that. This is your time, your chance to talk to me.
When he turned on his lights, was there anything said between Jake or nothing was said? Oh shit.
I was
Oh, shit,
looking
I
in
got
the
this
mirror.
bag.
She turned in here, and I was like,
It took a while. She didn't stop.
she was freaking out.
It's like if I hopped in a car, I look at the seat, I look down on the floor, and if there's something there, I'm gonna be like, hey man, it could be an empty water bottle. Hey man, where do you want me to put this? And I looked at the bag with the rock. It's a pretty good sized rock. Like, it's not gonna go unnoticed. And then the bag of pills is also not gonna go unnoticed.
It's probably the 5th time I've ever seen her since I've lived with her.
We're trying to understand the whole picture here, because how can you sit there and not see that? Obviously, it was in your area where you were seated, you know?
It's dark in the car.
You knew they were going to get a bag.
I did know that.
And you are not explaining yourself. You're not being completely honest with me. Again, I'm just putting this out there for you to start thinking and see what you want to do
Get
to
stuff
help
from her
yourself.
house so she could stay. And they said we pulled in. They walked to the door. There's a porta john right there. I got out the piss. Got back in the car. She's seen. Apparently, you guys had somebody pulled over by Kmart or whatever. She went through the Kmart parking lot and back out, and that's.
I noticed that.
And then lights came on, and I was like, "Oh shit!" I thought she was going right, and then she cut across and pulled in here.
All right. The officer, when was searching the vehicle, they found narcotics in the area where you were seated, which you can be charged with. Is there anything that you want to talk to me about those narcotics?
Nothing I know of. I'm not aware about the narcotics.
You were not aware of anything.
Was not.
How do you know the driver?
She's my girlfriend.
For how long?
I gotta say about like maybe 4 or 5 months now.
So you have been in that car before?
Yes.
Tonight was not the first time?
No.
So you are aware of the narcotics in this vehicle?
No. Never knew about that.
So you have been dating this woman for almost 5 months, and you have no idea that she is in possession. And in this vehicle, we have a lot of narcotics.
No clue. I have no idea about it.
Okay. All right. I was just trying to give you the opportunity to help yourself, but you're not willing to cooperate, so it is what it is. She's technically denying everything, which is pretty much that she's throwing you and him under the bus.
She's
Because
probably gonna come over here and say it was all you guys.
she's already denying about everything. So that's why I was saying when we are going to the jail. So just so you know, if they find anything on you that I didn't, you'll be charged with that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Watch your head.
There's nothing illegal there. And then that's it.
When police searched the scene, they turned up a serious drug haul: 80.4 grams of marijuana, 121.2 grams of THC-laced edibles, 9.8 grams of psilocybin mushrooms, and about 1.6 grams of cocaine, in both powder and crack form. Investigators also confiscated $6,007 in cash, along with a Volkswagen. Solomar ended up facing 11 separate charges: fraud, using someone else's driver's license, possessing marijuana, possessing cocaine, possessing a controlled substance, distributing drugs, having drug paraphernalia, resisting an officer, driving on an expired license, and failing to register a vehicle. A judge set her bond at more than $185,000. The most severe charge, a first-degree felony for selling drugs near a college, was dropped in July 2024. Between late 2024 and 2025, she pleaded guilty to the remaining felony drug charges and no contest to the misdemeanor. Instead of a formal conviction, the court gave her probation, with adjudication withheld, meaning no felony now shows on her record. By January 2026, she'd paid off every court fee and had already filed to have her probation ended early.